7:12 right now. Julian Aguon is an international human rights lawyer. His firm, Blue Ocean Law, just filed a landmark climate case. He's joining us now. We're going to get to the lawsuit in just a little bit, Julian. But why are you here in Hawaii specifically?
Thank you so much, Steve. I'm here because I have the great fortune of serving as the new Dan and Maggie Inouye Distinguished Chair in Democratic Ideals for the UH system. So I will be giving a public lecture tomorrow night and staying for the duration of the semester.
Yeah, okay, we're going to talk about that in a second, but let's get to this lawsuit. Very interesting.
Yeah.
So what's at stake here? What happens if you win?
Sure. So basically, my law firm has represented the Republic of Vanuatu for the past 5 years. The country has spearheaded the global pursuit of an advisory opinion on climate change from the International Court of Justice, or the ICJ. So essentially, the ICJ is the world's highest court. And what we are doing as a firm and on behalf of our clients is we're bringing the world's biggest problem, i.e. climate change, to the world's highest court.
Okay, so why specifically in this area? Why is this so key?
Specifically because the unique contribution that the world's highest court can make is by providing authoritative legal advice to all nations, the court could unlock the power of international law to require the kinds of transformations that the climate crisis requires.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many examples over here, right?
Yes, so many. Yeah. I mean, even in the Pacific, we know from the latest IPCC report that that the chance that the global temperature will meet or exceed 1.5 degrees is between now and 2040. So we have a decade, roughly, and this decade is the most important, arguably, in human history. Yeah,
I mean, there's examples everywhere. We were just talking a little bit earlier about the coral reefs. You walk around the island, you see the erosion on the coastlines. It's
for sure.
catastrophic.
I mean, sometimes people wrongly sort of speak about the climate crisis as if it's in the future, and they use the future tense. That's incorrect. We have to use, we in the islands, in Hawaii, but also throughout the Pacific Island communities are truly the frontline communities when it comes to climate catastrophe.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit more about your residency? What classes you'll be involved in?
Sure, yeah, so I will be giving the lecture tomorrow. Everyone, it's free, it's open to the public, everyone's welcome to come. It's tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. at the Orvis Auditorium. And then the class I will be teaching is called Pacific Island Legal Systems, and I'll be doing it with my professor, Susan Serrano. I'm co-teaching the course.
Okay, so it's coming up tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. If you're interested, we're going to post some information on our website as well after this, HawaiiNewsNow.com. Julian, thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, and thanks for all your efforts. It's 7